So in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over this solar powered camping fan, and just going over the box here, it's a 6-speed fan. It's an illumination light, time shutdown, USB output and input, Type-C charging, and it's got a solar panel built into it. You know what? I already had this thing out and went over it. Let me show you what all you get with this thing. And there's the box right there. You get a USB-C cable available with it, a little user manual, but you know what? You don't really need the user manual that much. Let me just show you what the fan looks like, because this thing looks awesome. So you see the actual setup right here, and then I like how it sets flat, and then check this out. You see this little button right here? It says open on it. It opens up, and then right here, you get a solar panel. Now, it's not gonna be like a big, huge solar panel that's gonna charge the thing, but what it will do, it will help maintain the battery power and just have enough to keep it going. I actually found it charged it pretty quick. You can see it's charging. It's got a display right here on the front, but watch this. So the fan just sets like this, and to turn it on, you hit the button once, you see the 1 in the middle. I don't know how well you can see that in the camera. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look how fast that's going right there. And then you got a light around the outside. This is so handy inside of a tent or just sitting at a campsite somewhere. Maybe just right here on the table if we were eating and we just wanted to stay cool. So there is actually another little Easter egg on this thing. Hit that button right there and watch this thing. Look at that. Is that not awesome? It rotates. This is the first one of these things that I have. Look at how it rotates. It doesn't do a 360 degrees. What it does, it seems like it goes about 180 degrees and then turns around and goes back in the opposite direction. That is phenomenal, because I've always had one of these fans and I just set it down in one spot and I can't move it. That's a great feature right there. It's got a timer on it. See how you can kind of stop it. And if I want to change the light color, you go there. See how you have the different kind of cool and warm lights on there? The power outlet, it's also a power bank. Let me show you how the power bank works. Plug that in right there. So if you got your cell phone, or maybe like I have some little kind of camera batteries right here. Let's see if it charges while it's working. As soon as you plug it in, see I've got 2 green, 1 red. So that one's fully charged and that one's dead. It's being charged right now. Very cool that it has a power bank built into it also. That's really handy right there. Does it have the power of what it generates out of here? It's a 10,000 milliamp battery capacity on this thing. Charging time's about 7 hours on the normal charging. It just uses a USB to charge it up. And the power consumption's a 10-watt power, and it weighs 1,300 grams. And then to turn it off, it goes back to 0 there, and it stops. And it's encased in there, so you're not worried about anybody sticking their fingers in there. I think this is gonna be a great option for anybody that's going on the beach, or kind of like doing any type of camping, or taking it somewhere where you just need to kind of stay cool while you're like hanging out outside, because it definitely gets hot down here in the southeast. It gets annoyingly hot, but I think this right here will make things just a little cooler out. No pun intended. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the solar powered light rotating fan. See you all in the next video.